Good morning. It is before 8 o'clock this morning and I'm on the road. I've got about a 3.5 hour drive to my next destination. So that is, I'm still in the park right now. I was gonna say, I saw that one turkey yesterday and now I see 3 in the road. I did not see any other turkeys yesterday, and I sat outside for quite a while and didn't see any. And if you go back to the last time I was here, there was turkeys everywhere. Yeah, no turkeys. Oh, these are wild pigs. Let me see if I can. 4 pigs right there. Pig, pig, pig. You can see their faces. There's 4 of them. Are you wild pigs or javelinas? I can't tell. Oh, yeah, move so I can see. Can't see your face. There he goes. Pigs. I don't think those are javelinas. Alright, I'll leave you alone. Did you see him, Sammy? Did you see the pigs? Piggy the pig? Yeah, but not the wildlife like other than that today, like I saw last time when I was here. So anyway, I'm gonna hit the road early, get there early, and I did want to just mention, because everybody has been asking or saying, I hope the propane is okay, the camper's okay. It must have been something to do with the water heater. My refrigerator's working fine. That was another comment. My refrigerator has seemed to miraculously healed itself, or that was just a one-off. See, it's just weird. I've just been having these weird one-time things.
In 600 feet, turn left to stay on Recreational Road 8.
These one-time things happening. I still cannot turn on my...
Take the next left to stay on Recreational Road 8.
I still can't turn on my hot water heater. So I'm gonna have to get that.
Continue on Recreational Road 8 for 2 miles.
So I'm gonna have to get that looked at. And I told y'all, and I guess it was yesterday's video or the day before, that I had the switch at the post office. Well, I got an email saying that it was returned to Amazon and my refund was being processed. I don't know if the post office sent it back, or, I mean, one part it said undeliverables. I don't know. I've never had anything or any problem. I'm supposed to have another package delivered today, I think. So we'll see if it actually gets delivered. So anyway, let's get on the road. I am in Junction, Texas, and I am stopped at, hi baby, just a second, okay, yeah, just a second. I'm stopped at a Lowe's supermarket. It's okay. I love you too. Am I talking? You think I'm talking to you? I am. Alright, so I am at a Lowe's supermarket. And I'm going to stop and get a few things. It is a no eat out day. No eat out day yesterday and today. That's 2. It's like, I've eaten out so much. I got to get back to my meal planning and back to my frugal self, because yeah, I was on vacation and I spent a ton of money. So I am gonna go get me some things. I am craving Mexican food. I will eat Mexican food somewhere on this trip out, but it's not going to be today, as I'm looking at a Mexican food place called Gloria's Gonzalez Cafe. Homemade Mexican American food. But I'm not walking over there. I am walking to the market, and I'm going to make either tacos or taco salad. Because I'm thinking, why buy the shells if and just buy the lettuce? But kind of craving crispy tacos, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll be right back, and then we only have a little ways to go to be at the park. Okay, all right, let's go get the sales ad and see what they've got on sale too. All right, 99 cents. Digital coupons say 50 cents. I'll take it. I went ahead and got these because then I can have chalupas too instead of the taco shells. So, once again at South Llano River State Park, I just thought I would go back the way I came. Stay at the same parks because I've already figured out the distance. So yeah, tomorrow it's not a new park where I'm going tomorrow, but it hadn't been on this trip or this year. Hadn't been to that state park in a long time, so I'm looking forward to it. I usually buy chili verde for guacamole, so I only bought one avocado, and I bought this yes, I know. I bought this taco sauce, so I'm going to make guacamole with this. And that's my favorite salsa, so I'm going to have that. And I bought some sour cream, and Sammy says, let's just cook it up. Let's quit talking about it. Is that what you say? Just cook it up? All right, I am ready for a chalupa, tostada, whatever you want to call it. It's just got ground beef with taco seasoning on it, lettuce, tomatoes, guacamole, and sour cream. There's the fixins. Oh, and if you get one of these spoons, you can use one side for, Sammy says, I need water. One side for sour cream and one side for salsa. Yeah. All right, Sammy, here I come. So I'm at South Llano River State Park in Texas, and these are really nice sites because a lot of them are really secluded. They're really nice. There's another one. It's like the camper's not really secluded, but the picnic tables are secluded with all the bushes. So showed you a lot of this park when Leslie and I were here. I think we were here for 6 days. So you saw a lot of this park already. We did the 2 bird blinds, we did the fishing pond, the river. It was just too cold for us to get the kayak out and do the river. This would be a good one. If you had friends camping. Oh, that one's got steps going down to the picnic table. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Let's go this way, Sammy. Up the steps. Up the steps. Well, I just saw that there's a 3rd bird blind here. They have 3 of them here. Yeah, I hadn't been to this area. Of course, the wind's blowing. Amphitheater. Let's go look at it. Hadn't seen it. Established in, oh wow, 2024. how cool is that? This is like brand new. Come on, Tim. Come on. Oh, look at there. Bunch of big old boulders to sit on. Guess they got a fire pit. That's cool. Cool.